Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a USB charger to the Honda Rebel. So, USB connector will be connected to the dashboard, so you have to unscrew the screws of the dashboard. That will be your first step. So, I actually had to use WD-40 because it was very tough to remove those screws. So take your time, remove the screws. Eventually they will come out. Okay, here it is. Screws removed. Now take your USB charger and fit the screws in the holes of the USB charger. And in both sides anyway. So start from one, connect the other. Make sure you screw correctly to be as you can see it was not correctly screwed, so I'm going to screw, make sure it's correctly screwed. Take your time, make sure that you don't damage either the dashboard or when you're screwing, so it should be correctly aligned. Yeah, it seems to be good. So now we are screwing the second round. You have to make sure that it is well attached, so don't overdo it, just the right amount of strength. Okay, seems to be okay. The last attempt, okay, it's fixed. Okay, the USB charger is connected to the motorbike. So now we have to connect the cables. And the cables, you have to connect them to the cables that are behind the headlight. So it will be just fine in one of the sides. You can see that there's one cable that is connected to anything at all. So you can see that there's a little cap in the top, and you have to remove this cap. Make sure that you don't break anything, and just take your time. It was first I had to understand how it was attached there, and just slowly remove it. And after you remove it, it's pretty much just connect the cables, and that's it. Job done. So congrats, you have connected the USB charger to the Rebel, and you can use your USB charger.